Good morning, Maui. Checking in on our surface analysis, we see our high pressure stationary and dwindling away as this low pressure and leading edge of a front is getting a little closer and probably starting to dissipate. We're soon to see some of these new highs take over and hopefully start seeing waves from these low pressures. Jumping down to our wind map, we'll see that there's not a real flow hitting the islands right above Maui. We have a 4 knot headwind. I believe our upper level winds are blowing Konas right now, and you can see that this swell fetch is not hitting us, and then this new fetch of this next storm is probably going to go mostly to Northern California. Looking up at the crater, we have a southwest wind at 18 miles an hour, so there should be a good shear boundary somewhere up there. Checking in on our Big Island sounding, it looks pretty confused and no inversion to speak of. Over here on our winds, we can see that that southwest is at that 10,000, 6,000 feet, and it's blowing about 20 on these arrows. Going back to Kauai, we see more of what we're used to. Again, no significant inversion. Yesterday was pretty epic. Everyone had awesome flights at Poli Poli. I think I got over launched 4 different times, so that was a pretty awesome, unique experience for myself. Looking at our chances for rain, you'll see that we don't have any real clouds on us. Looks like the Big Island might have a little disturbance creeping in from the south, but looks relatively clear on our behalf. Our local Doppler showing almost 0 showers. I don't see any real significant moving in the showers either, so this is going to definitely be the lightest wind day of the summer so far. If we look at our big blue, again we see that front, its tailing edge dissipating before it hits us and moving on. We have some sort of crazy weather going down in Mexico and nothing really bothering us. Our wind guru forecast looks pretty accurate, showing maybe some high clouds today, no wind, and then we should start getting wind picking up and trending on Tuesday and Wednesday. Our tides, being a full moon, are extreme again, and we have a really low tide around 8 this morning, jumping and spiking to a super high tide around 2 or 3 of those king tides. So expecting more of that beach erosion and flooding. Looking at the buoys, we have a 3.0 8 seconds north swell. I'm sure it's enough to get some people excited about Hokipa. I'm gonna wait for this next real swell to come in before I bother, but it's a good sign of change. People had fun yesterday, I heard. We're still seeing a little bit of energy on our front street cam, so the south swell ain't dead yet. Can't see too much on Mama's beach cam, but it does look like a nice morning. And finally, a look at our sun. We got all sorts of nice boundary level excitement. This is a nice looking map today. You can see all sorts of the coronas and our solar spots kind of creeping me today. I think since yesterday was so epic at Poli Poli, I got to go up there again today. Maybe come down, buy some used Craigslist surfboards, and then make it to Lahaina for either a L flight or another little surf session. Alright guys, we'll get wind soon. No, not much kiting probably today, but we'll see. Have a good one. Bye.